Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a big bag of peppercorn, and I have a McCormick black peppercorn grinder, and I looked up on YouTube to see how I can get these peppercorns into here because right now it's really tough to open. So the hack consists of having a blow dryer, 30 seconds to a minute, blow dry around this perimeter right here, and then this thing should slip off. So let's see how it goes. All right, that's 30 seconds. Let's see if it works. Oh, it worked. This hack worked. It worked. Wow. Thank you, YouTube. So my wife was like, well, you haven't tested it. So she told me to put some peppercorn in the container, which I just did. I'm going to recap it, which I think is easy. Oh, okay, it's in. Now how do we test this? On a white plate. Here's the ultimate test, people. This is the fine setting, medium setting, and coarse setting. Let's try coarse. Oh, look at there. Working. Doesn't come off. Fine setting. No big difference in the setting, but it works. That's how you hack a McCormick black peppercorn grinder.